Hi everybody, we will talk today how you can register in the Fantasy Premier League. Just you will search for app here Fantasy Premier League and you need to download your app. Just I want to tell you this is a player game that you can win travel to United Kingdom for 7 days, and also you can get prizes for first and second and third and five people they are score here in this game. After we will open the app like this, just we need to get start and we choose which of what is your favorite club. For example, I will choose a Chelsea and continue. Now we can say like other play football game club, like yes, you can big teams or you can know, and you can know this and you can yes notifications, and now is allow. Then we can make all these open here, and if you want to choose other of your favorite games club, you can choose from here and we'll continue. Now you can here accept, and you have to yes create account. I have to create account. I just need to write my first name, last name, and email, and your password, and male and female, and your what is your birthday and what is your country, and you write here your phone number. Then we can continue and show you how to can make your team. You can just make here favorite team, and you choose what is your partner emails from here. If you don't want, it's okay, and I have agree. Then you have to put to next. Now we need to make activation for your email. Yes, sign me now or confirm later. Okay, and after that we have to go fancy from here. As I told you, we need to make activation for your email. Yes, email, tap to login. So now we need to sign in again after we make activation. Just now we need to welcome to Fantasy. You can see here and you can see big team. So now I will click here in the big team, and I will write what is your name you want to show for your people team. You don't need to write your team what you will play, just team yeah, like username. So I will make team like rock, and yes, accept and select team. In this case you have to have 100 euro. You can choose your players from all Premier Leagues here, and you have to make it before 13 August. So with this time you have to do it before, or you can check what is time when you download the app in this time. And we have to choose here what is your the football's player. So I have to choose from football player from here. I will choose for 11 people player from player games, and you can choose here from club what club you want to choose for like Arsenal, Aston Villa, or Liverpool. What do you want to choose, you can. In this case, after I finish, I will show you how it can be like you can get all this player what you want from like now we can choose from Liverpool, and here like this. Now we want to continue for first and last one from here, Man United's and all. Of course, if you know all players, so you can choose the best player, but you have to be careful when you choose, like make a bank not less than 0, because if not less than 0 you cannot continue here with this player. So now if you want reset your team, you can click here. If you want continue, you just next step, and congratulations, you have entered now the Liga. And after that you can check here big team and the transfers. If you want to make any transfers and the big teams is your team, if you have to play, you can just pinch post play from here. It's now active. And if you want confirm it's will working now, and you have to wait what your team will score. And you can check here what is the scores for all teams playing in this time. And you can check now the team and the manager how many points they have now, like this. And now I make active. So also you can check what time you starting the Premier Leagues from here also, for matches starting every day. And as I told you, you can get very nice prices when you win, like you can go for travel for United Kingdom. All this you can see here for prices. As I show you, your prices will be very nice, and you can travel to United Kingdom and you can watch Premier Leagues all this free for 7 days. So this is how you can use the fantasy of Premier Leagues. So in last video, I hope everyone everything is good, and goodbye. See you later.